So recently I changed my radio into a newer one with Android Auto and Carplay. Problem with these Alfa Romeos is that you have to change the clock in the original navigation system, and you lose that functionality when you install a different radio, a newer one. But fortunately there is a way to adjust your clock using the OBD scanner. So I'll just walk you through it. Just open this. There's a screw here. I don't have it anymore, but if you have it, you have to take that out. It's a torque screw. Take this out. Pop that back in. The OBD scanner is, of course, over here. You take the plug, put it in there, and put the USB in your laptop. Like that. So, let's grab my key. Put it in, don't start the car. Just put it in. You see here, the clock is still flashing. I will open the Multi-ECU scan. You have to use the paid version for this. Okay, so first, of course, you have to find your vehicle in this list. I am fortunate to have the 159 TBI, which is not really a 1.8 but a 1.7, but nevertheless, select your vehicle, then go to body, weirdly enough, then go to CAN monitor / vehicle settings, and then go to the bottom right of the screen to connect, and just click connect. It's connecting to the ECU, so we're connected. So now you go to adjustments, which is here on the top of the screen. You see here the date and time, and just go to the bottom right of the screen again to execute. Now, and then here you just have to enter the time, which is in my case 16:30, and the date is 04/11/2024 in my case, and just tap OK, and then Y to confirm. It's completed, it says, and you see here now date is not flashing anymore, and it says the right time and the right date.